Meet Hellfire, a truck that's long retired from hauling cargo and now lives for thrilling shows and jaw-dropping speed. Once a 1995 Freightliner, it's been transformed into a fire-breathing monster powered by a General Electric J79 jet engine, the same used in F-4 Phantom fighter jets. With an insane 18,000 horsepower under its hood, Hellfire blasts a 23-meter flame from its exhaust and can hit speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour in seconds. It tours across North America, amazing crowds with its raw power and thunderous roar. Watching it feels like witnessing a rocket on wheels, burning through barrels of jet fuel like it's nothing, just to tear across the finish line. It's pure adrenaline, speed, and spectacle in one fiery package. Meet Big Pete, the heaviest monster truck on Earth. This beast weighs a massive 7.5 tons, nearly double the weight of its competitors. It's as big as a small house, stretching over 5.5 meters long and 4 meters wide. Built on a Peterbilt 359, Big Pete is the first semi-truck monster truck with a detachable trailer. Under its aluminum hood roars a 7.4-liter Chevrolet V8 engine, but the real showstopper is its military-grade transmission that powers 4 drive axles. Unlike most monster trucks, it uses leaf spring suspension, which, thanks to its massive weight, needs replacing twice a year. When Big Pete rolls into an arena and starts crushing cars, the ground shakes so much that fans joke it's not a truck. It's a rolling earthquake. The Berliet T100 made a jaw-dropping debut at the 1957 Paris Motor Show. It was so massive, weighing 103 tons, that organizers had to build a separate pavilion just to display it. Designed for the toughest jobs, this French giant hauled heavy equipment across the Sahara Desert and worked on uranium mining sites. Powering this beast was a huge 29.6-liter V12 Cummins engine, delivering 700 horsepower. Steering it wasn't easy. It needed a separate Panhard motor just to turn the wheels. In 1962, one T100 was even fitted with a gas turbine, but it drank too much fuel and the idea was abandoned. Only 4 were ever built. Today, one proudly sits in a museum, a powerful reminder of bold and fearless engineering. Legendary dirt track racer Scott Bloomquist traveled in style with a race car hauler that was just as impressive as his racing career. Built by Turnkey Industries in Texas, this wasn't just a truck, it was a luxurious palace on wheels. Designed to match his iconic Zero race car, the sleek black hauler carried not just his car but his entire team. Inside, it offered rock-star-level comfort with features like a cozy sleeper sofa, a built-in bar, a booming sound system, and neon lights throughout. Part RV, part luxury lounge, it was perfect for long trips and post-race celebrations. Whether heading to the next race or just cruising down the highway, this hauler turned every ride into an experience. Would you love to travel in something like this? Chimera is no ordinary truck. It's a futuristic powerhouse created by Swedish tuning expert Sven-Erik Femper-Bergendal. Designed to amaze, it's not just for show. This beast can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.6 seconds, faster than many sports cars. At its heart is a stunning Scania V8 engine fitted with 6 turbochargers, producing an eye-popping 4,460 horsepower. The engine looks more like a high-tech sculpture than truck machinery. So sleek and shiny, it could be displayed in a modern art gallery. Chimera made its first appearance on the track with Teresa Wendell behind the wheel, one of the rare female test drivers in the heavy truck world, adding even more uniqueness to this jaw-dropping creation. This custom 2015 Peterbilt 389 looks like it came straight out of a hot rod dream. Built using a Fitzgerald glider kit, it grabs attention with both its bold power and stunning design. Under the hood, it runs on a reliable Detroit diesel engine paired with a shiny chrome transmission. On the outside, it features eye-catching 20-centimeter Dynaflex exhaust stacks, vintage-style headlights, a bold bumper, and a turbocharger. The interior mirrors the classic hot rod vibe, with a glossy black top section, green sign trim, and a custom-painted finish that matches the exterior. Every detail, from the chrome pedals to the hubcaps, was made just for this truck. It's not just a machine, it's a head-turning, smooth cruising symbol of custom style. This eye-catching 2003 Peterbilt 379 belongs to Don Wood, the proud owner of the small DSD transport fleet. What started as an old lease truck was completely transformed into a showstopper. It now features a brand new dashboard, a sleek flat spoiler, and a bold custom paint job that turns heads. Equipped with a quick-draw Naga system and a Mack flatbed, it's built for both work and comfort on long hauls. This truck isn't just made for the highway, it shines at shows too. At the 2021 Walcott Trucker Jamboree, it proudly took first place in its class. Once a basic work truck, it's now a symbol of dedication and passion. A true American dream, rolling on 18 wheels. Murder Pete, the name alone demands attention. This beast of a truck is built on a Peterbilt 379 and screams power with its massive 25-centimeter exhaust stacks that growl like thunder. A skull mounted on the grille warns anyone daring enough to block its path. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, a monster engine paired with an 18-speed transmission powers this metal beast down the road. Step inside and you'll find low-profile legacy seats covered in soft cloth and leather for comfort and style. And when the music hits, a 3,600-watt sound system with 4 booming subwoofers shakes the air. Murder Pete isn't just a truck. It's a loud, fierce, and stylish road warrior. Remember the movie Maximum Overdrive? Then you'll definitely recognize the iconic Happy Toys truck with the Green Goblin face on the front. A full replica of that legendary rig stole the spotlight at the Carlisle Truck Nationals. During the light show, the entire truck lit up and moved with the beat of the music, and the Goblin looked like it was about to come alive and cause some serious trouble. But it wasn't just the lights that wowed the crowd. The deep roar of its old-school two-stroke Detroit diesel engine sent chills down the spines of even veteran mechanics. This truck is more than just a replica. It's a piece of movie history brought to life with amazing attention to detail. Hear that Goblin roar on the highway, and you'll never forget it. FRP bridges are changing the way we build by being lightweight, super strong, and impressively durable. One company leading the charge is Fiberline, which has replaced heavy steel and concrete with advanced fiberglass. As a result, their bridges are up to 60% lighter than steel ones and 80% lighter than concrete, making them easier and faster to install. They're built to last, handling extreme temperatures from 80 degrees Celsius to minor 40 degrees Celsius, resisting seawater and never rusting or corroding. Plus, they need very little maintenance over the years. And when their life cycle ends, they don't go to waste. They can be fully recycled. With this approach, companies like Suprema aim to make infrastructure more eco-friendly and sustainable for the future. Tundra Box is changing the way we think about rooftops by making green roofs more affordable and accessible. Instead of being a luxury, they're now a smart, standard option for buildings. The system is modular, patented, and made up of 3 key parts: trays, a special growing mix, and pre-grown plants. It's designed for simplicity, so much so that in the first year, all you need to do is water it, no fertilizer required. Green roofs offer many great benefits. They reduce noise, cut down air conditioning costs, and support city ecosystems by adding more greenery to urban spaces. With Tundra Box, adding a green roof is no longer complicated or expensive. It's easy, efficient, and good for the environment and your wallet. Hybrid polymer concrete is changing the game in road construction. Traditional concrete takes about 28 days to fully harden, which slows down repairs and frustrates drivers. But there's a smarter solution: Fast Track's hybrid polymer concrete. It's made from special resins and carefully chosen aggregates, allowing roads to reopen just 3 hours after repairs are done. No more long detours or delays. Not only does it set quickly, but it also stands up strong against chemicals and harsh weather. This makes it ideal for places like bridges, where durability really matters. In fact, using this type of concrete can extend the life of roads and bridges by decades. It's fast, tough, and built to last, just what modern infrastructure needs. The construction world is going through a big tech revolution. Things that once seemed like science fiction are now being used in real life. One amazing example is in the tiny Swiss village of Meulens, home to just 11 people. Despite its small size, the village became world famous thanks to Swiss scientists who built the tallest 3D printed structure on Earth, Tour Alva, or the White Tower. This stunning 30-meter tower is part theater, part observation deck, and part art. 2 robots built it. One carefully poured layers of cement like toothpaste, while the other placed steel bars for support every 26 centimeters. Now the White Tower not only stands as an engineering marvel, but also brings new energy and tourism to the quiet mountain village. Origami, the traditional Japanese art of paper folding, is now inspiring modern engineering in exciting ways. Engineers at the University of Michigan have developed foldable structures based on origami principles. These structures can be quickly assembled into bridges, shelters, and other useful forms, without the need for glue, scissors, or heavy machinery. What's truly amazing is their strength. A column just 1 meter tall and weighing only 7 kilograms can hold up to 2.1 tons. This strength comes from the smart design that evenly spreads weight throughout the structure. These foldable designs are not only lightweight and portable, but also ideal for use in disaster areas and could even be used in space. One day, they might replace traditional bulky equipment and reduce the need for large teams on site. Pneumatic vacuum elevators are changing how we move between floors, especially in private homes. These sleek tube-like elevators use air pressure to smoothly lift and lower the cabin, much like a capsule floating on air. They're more compact than traditional lifts and can easily be plugged into a standard power outlet. No major construction needed. Available in different styles, they even include models that are wheelchair accessible. One standard elevator from PVE can carry up to 238 kilograms, or 3 people at a time. Safety isn't a concern either. These elevators meet all European legal and technical standards. With their modern design and space-saving features, pneumatic vacuum elevators are a smart and stylish way to add convenience and value to your home. Tired of your driveway or parking area sinking into a muddy mess? Try Core Drive 5035 HD, a smart, strong solution that keeps everything firmly in place. This ultra-slim 3-centimeter polymer grid might look thin, but don't let that fool you. It's incredibly tough, with each square meter supporting up to 450 tons of weight. Plus, it helps you save big, using up to 60% less gravel than traditional systems. The best part? Your gravel stays locked in and level, creating a smooth, stable surface that's easy for everyone to walk, ride, or roll across, even in a wheelchair. Whether it's for your garden path, driveway, or parking area, Core Drive keeps it solid, neat, and easy to maintain. 10 giant tunnel boring machines, each as long as 1.5 football fields, are digging their way through the ground beneath Britain. These machines are part of one of the country's most ambitious construction efforts, building high-speed rail tunnels that will connect London to the West Midlands. It's also one of the largest infrastructure projects in all of Europe. In the first phase alone, the tunnels will cover about 103 kilometers. To avoid disturbing towns and cities above, they're being dug 90 meters underground, each with a massive diameter of about 9 meters. This enormous task brings together around 30,000 skilled professionals. It's a remarkable feat of engineering that's shaping the future of travel in the UK, quietly and powerfully, beneath our feet. Ace Tube, Smart Sludge and Silt Solution. Handling: mud, sludge, or silt? No worries. Ace Tube makes it fast, simple, and cost-effective. These flexible geotextile containers are perfect for filtering even tough municipal or industrial wastewater. Here's how it works. Water is pumped into the tube, which lets clean water drain out while trapping all the unwanted waste inside. Need stronger results? Engineers can customize the fabric or add flocculants, special agents that clump tiny particles together for easier separation. Built with durable material, Ace Tube resists UV rays, chemicals, and even harsh mining environments. It's a tough, reliable solution that saves time, effort, and money. Whether it's for construction, mining, or wastewater treatment, Ace Tube is your go-to tool for clean, controlled filtration without the mess. Meet the BIM printer, a smart robotic printer designed for modern construction sites. It rolls around the site and automatically marks layouts based on CAD drawings. You can run it fully automatically or control it manually using a PC, tablet, or even your smartphone. For super precise work, it connects with top-tier robotic total stations from Leica, Topcon, and Trimble. Everything is planned using specialized software, making setup easy. And unlike humans, it doesn't get tired, doesn't take breaks, and keeps going through lunch. Fast, accurate, and tireless, the BIM printer is a game changer. It's a great example of how robotic tech is becoming an essential part of the construction world, boosting productivity and keeping projects on track. This is what the future of job sites looks like. Chinese builders have once again amazed the world by pushing the boundaries of construction speed and efficiency. A key reason behind this breakthrough is the use of B-core panels, an innovative building material that's changing how structures are made. These panels are made from two steel sheets connected by a grid of welded tubes, with insulation filling the gaps. Measuring 12 meters long, 2 meters wide, and 15 centimeters thick, they're strong yet lightweight, about 10 times lighter than traditional concrete panels. Designed for both floors and walls, B-core panels are ideal for modular construction, where buildings are assembled from pre-made blocks, much like stacking giant Lego pieces. This smart technology makes construction faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're in a brand new building or an older home, poor acoustics can be a real issue, especially low-frequency noise. It might not seem loud, but your body still reacts. Studies link it to high blood pressure, stress, fatigue, and even digestive problems. That's where Clenio acoustic gypsum boards come in. Designed for ceilings and walls, they absorb unwanted noise and reduce echo, creating a more peaceful, comfortable space. But that's not all. They also clean the air. Thanks to the natural zeolite in the panels, they trap and neutralize pollutants like tobacco smoke. It's a simple, effective way to improve both sound and air quality indoors. With Clenio, you won't just hear the difference, you'll feel it. Schuko has introduced the perfect system, and the name says it all. This highly adaptable solution fits almost any kind of opening, whether you're upgrading a home, building something new, or working on a commercial project. Need a sleek sliding door for your patio? Perfect. Planning to add panoramic windows? Also perfect. Replacing old balcony doors? You guessed it, perfect again. It's designed to work beautifully in both modern constructions and older buildings. Contractors love it because everything, from the core system to extras like insect screens and shutters, comes from one reliable source. Plus, installation is incredibly straightforward. In some cases, it can be done in just minutes. Whether it's for homes or businesses, Schuko Perfect is a smart, stylish, and practical choice. Mapei's MapeGuard WP200 is a smart waterproofing sheet designed for wet areas like bathrooms and showers. It features a clever multi-layer construction, a thin polyethylene center sandwiched between layers of non-woven polypropylene. This makes it highly effective at keeping moisture out. It sticks easily to surfaces, even bare concrete, and wraps cleanly around pipes and corners for full protection. You can tile over it right after installation, so there's no waiting around. Plus, it's incredibly thin, just 0.5 millimeters, so it won't take up valuable space in small bathrooms. Whether you're remodeling or building new, this sleek and reliable membrane helps keep moisture under control while saving space. It's a simple, durable, and space-saving solution for long-lasting waterproofing. Sikacrete 733 is a special type of concrete designed for 3D printing in construction. It's built with everything that 3D printers, robots, and builders need to create strong and precise structures. The formula is carefully crafted to set quickly, flow smoothly, even with low pressure, and resist shrinking, helping to avoid cracks during the drying process. Whether you're working on a serious engineering project or a creative architectural design, this mix delivers reliable results. It combines dry powder with plain water, just like traditional concrete, but with a modern twist for 3D printing. Sikacrete 733 is helping take construction technology to the next level, making it easier to build with speed, accuracy, and creativity. It's practical, efficient, and ready for the future of construction. We're in Alabama, where major road upgrades are underway to benefit both local communities and the entire state. One major project is the expansion of US Highway 43, which includes adding 2 new lanes. When it came time to widen the bridge, the contractor chose Mivolite formwork, and it turned out to be the perfect choice. This aluminum formwork is not only lightweight, but incredibly strong. A single 1.8 by 0.9 meter panel weighs just 39 kilograms, but can handle up to 6.5 tons per square meter. That's more than enough to support a durable new bridge span. With the right materials in place, all the crew needs to do now is stay focused and keep the momentum going. EggCobox is a smart thermal insulation solution designed for balconies. It allows steel reinforcement bars, rebar, to pass through the building's structure without creating cold bridges, those spots where heat escapes and moisture builds up. This helps prevent heat loss, condensation, and mold, keeping your home warm and healthy. EcoBox is customizable to suit your project's needs, and it works seamlessly with CAD and BIM systems. Free software is also available to help with design. The insulation materials include phenolic foam, mineral wool, and polystyrene, with standard thicknesses up to 12 centimeters. The result? A balcony that stays just as warm and comfortable as the rest of your home, without the risk of energy loss or structural damage from moisture. Construction sites often become muddy disasters due to constant cargo movement. But with Sonko's Enduramat ground protection mats, that problem is solved. These durable polymer panels are built to keep the ground stable, even under heavy pressure. They're much stronger and more reliable than plywood or steel sheets. Despite weighing only 32 kilograms, each Enduramat can support up to 80 tons, perfect for both outdoor and indoor use, like in warehouses. They're also chemical resistant, which means you can easily move them from one site to another without contamination concerns. And when they've done their job, they're not tossed into a landfill. Instead, they're sent for recycling, making them an eco-friendly choice for modern construction needs. Warwickshire's A46 highway didn't face the usual long delays when HS2 engineers stepped in with a smarter plan. Instead of months of detours and traffic chaos, they completed a major project in record time. In April, a massive 12,000-ton bridge was installed in just a few days. The team worked non-stop, using advanced technology, including a special push system that smoothly slid the bridge into position along custom rails, covering a distance of 64 meters. Once the bridge was in place, crews quickly handled the rest, adding drainage, fresh paving, and road markings. The structure was built using the innovative Mia Deck system, which helped speed things up while keeping everything safe and efficient. It was a game-changing move in modern construction. The SCF-60 is a modern self-climbing formwork system designed to boost safety and efficiency in construction. It protects workers from falling objects and harsh weather, all while eliminating the need for cranes and scaffolding. This helps reduce both material and labor costs. The system meets safety standards across Europe, the UK, and the US, making it suitable for global use. It's ideal for high-rise projects, even those over 300 meters tall. What's more, the supplier offers full project support, including custom design and structural calculations. A great example of its success is the Grand Tower, Germany's tallest residential building, where the SCF-60 was used effectively. This smart solution is changing the way skyscrapers are built, making construction safer, faster, and more cost-efficient. Wolf House and Building Movers are true experts when it comes to relocating buildings. They can move almost any structure, no matter the size, weight, or material, whether it's brick, wood, or concrete. One amazing example is when they moved the historic Vort Travers residential building 9 meters sideways and 1.2 meters backward. To pull this off, their skilled team used 34 powerful jacks, each capable of lifting 100 tons. The building itself weighed a massive 850 tons, yet they moved it so precisely that it's expected to remain standing strong for at least another 130 years. This is just one of many impressive projects Wolf has completed, showing how modern engineering and teamwork can make even the heaviest structures shift with care and accuracy.